guys, and welcome back. Today I'm bringing you along for a collaboration from Practical Modern Homestead. They are starting this collaboration for our year in review of our 2018 goals. I will leave a link to their playlist down below, and I encourage you to watch everyone that is participating. It is going to be great. So I will leave a link right up here to my 2018 goals that I did at the beginning of the year. And in review, to put it in short terms, I wanted, one of the goals was to find a new place to live, to hatch chicks and expand the coop, to be more self-sufficient in our meat in terms of cow or pig, or both, finish the root cellar, and have a self-reliant garden to where I didn't need to supplement from the store. And so let's see how I did. First, can't notice I am in the same house, and that is purely because we had to buy a car. We were a one vehicle family. However, my husband had a job where he had a work vehicle given to him. Well, he changed jobs in March, and so we did a month of one car before we were like, okay, we have to get an additional car. So the down payment that we were going to use for our house turned into buying a car. So we did not get a house or land, and we are definitely paying for it because we have been putting a lot of money into keeping this place livable while we're still having to live in it. So that's where we stand on that. So be looking for the 2019 goals because I definitely have some stuff to say about that. Second was the chickens. Now, I say that I did accomplish this goal just because in a roundabout way. So I needed to expand the coop because I had too many chickens for the coop. I instead sold half my chickens to a friend in order to buy an incubator where I then hatched chicks. So I accomplished the goal there and I fixed the problem. Now, I had to sell my chicks, so I didn't get to raise them for meat or anything like that, but I did hatch them on my own. Also, I had my broody hens try and hatch chicks, although one ended up getting killed 3 days before her eggs were supposed to hatch, and that's why she got killed, because she wouldn't leave the nest. So I ended up not getting chicks that way, but I know that my hens are ready to do it if they get the chance. So hopefully they go broody again next year. But I did get to have some new experiences and whatnot with my chickens this year. The root cellar. I have a door for the root cellar, a steel door. However, we did not finish the root cellar because we did not need it. I want to use the root cellar, but at the same time, I don't want to be that far away from my food. So, while it's there, and if I need it, I can use it, I don't need it right now. So I didn't put my energy into fixing it because I ended up making it all fit in my house. The cow and pig. I did buy a cow, and I did get it butchered. I didn't get to put it on my land and fatten it up, so it was a small cow. But I did buy a cow from a farmer, and I had it butchered. So I did get to be self-sufficient in that way of having my own meat. I didn't get to raise it myself, but it was raised well, so I am happy with that. I did not, however, get to do my pig because I had to fix my house. So finances went towards fixing the house versus getting some pork. So that's how that goal kind of went. It was kind of like half done. And then last was my garden. Now I did accomplish my garden. Granted, some of the things that I wanted to work did not, but all in all, I say I did very well on stocking my pantry purely from my garden. I am including my aunt's garden in this because I did not have to pay for it and it came from an organic garden, just like mine. So I'm saying that I did accomplish that particular goal. I did not buy my tomatoes or green beans or anything from the store. The stuff that is in my pantry is from my garden. So I'm very happy with that. So all in all, I say I accomplished 3 out of my 5 goals, in one way or another. And I'm happy with that. It has been a very fulfilling year, a very full year. A lot of experiences have happened in this year, and you have to remember when making your goals that things happen. We did not foresee my husband changing jobs, and so it kind of changed everything with him changing jobs. But I am thankful that he has this new job. It was for the best. So just learn to not beat yourself up over it. Go with the flow and be happy with what you did accomplish. And I am very happy with what I was able to accomplish this year. And I'm really looking forward to next year. I have a lot of perspective. I have some things that I would change. And I'm just really looking forward to what this year is going to bring for my family and I. So remember to check down in the description box when this video uploads. It may take me a couple minutes to get the playlist put in the description box, but it will be down there so that you can watch everyone else's reviews. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I enjoyed reviewing it with you and telling you guys about it, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Real quick, I forgot to put on here, you're supposed to tag 3 people, 3 additional people to do the year in review, and for the life of me, I cannot think of 3 particulars. So if you see this video, I encourage you, if you have a YouTube channel, to do a review, and make sure you let me know down in the description box that you've done it, because I would love to look at your year in review. I love seeing what everyone has accomplished. So now I'll end this video.